Hello little artists, I'm Mariana Olson and today we are doing a cat inside a pumpkin. Are you ready? Let's do this. Okay, let's start on the top of the paper and we're gonna do a triangle. Let's start with a curvy line, then we're gonna do another curvy line and there is a triangle. Now let's do one more on the other side and it's gonna look like this. Now I'm gonna do the pumpkin that is on his head. So for that I'm doing two curvy lines that it almost looks like a letter M. See? Now on the bottom we're gonna close these two together. There. Let's continue here another triangle for his other ear that is under the pumpkin. On top of here I'm doing a rectangle shape and then two U shapes for the leaves of the pumpkin. Just like this. And now let's do here a curl for those little vines that stick on the pumpkin sometimes. Now let's do the head. So the head is gonna be two curvy lines that go down, one on the right and one on the left. And I wanna here just extend this. Here in the middle I'm gonna do two oval shapes for his paws that are outside the pumpkin. Here I'm gonna put two little lines for detail. And now let's close this. We're gonna start making the pumpkin. So I'm gonna do a line here and another line here. And then I'm gonna go up a little and I'm gonna just go down with a curvy line to the side of the pumpkin. And let's do the same thing in the left side, okay, down here. So just go up a little and go down, just like that. Now we're gonna close these two together, okay? So we're gonna do a straight line, they go across and then we close it. The next thing is gonna be the eyes, okay? So it's gonna be here and they're gonna be two oval shapes, but they're a little bigger or wider than the paws. Just like this. And inside those circles I'm gonna do a line that goes down just like this. Perfect. The next thing is the mouth. Okay, so we're gonna start with a little line, then we're gonna do a square, then let's do another line, then a square, and then one more line. Okay, now let's do two curvy lines on the sides, one on the left, one on the right. And we're gonna do the same we did on the top, okay? I'm gonna start with that line. Let's put the other line here. Then a square. Okay, we're gonna just fix this. Okay, now let's do the square in the other side, square, and then a line. See, that was easy. Now, we're gonna put the lines on the pumpkin. So I'm gonna start on the top. We're gonna do one down and then one that goes up. Okay, we're gonna do two in each side. One on the top and one on the bottom. There. Okay, the last thing is the face of the cat. So we're gonna start with two circles. Let's do one here and one here. And inside these circles, we're gonna do two more. Okay. And the first one is gonna be really close to the top part. So one here, and now let's do a teeny one inside. Here and here. Perfect. Now let's fill with black this part of the second circle. Okay, it's gonna look like that. Now the nose is gonna be a small triangle. Okay, let's do a one little triangle here. See how little it is? Now let's do two diagonal lines, one to the left, one to the right. And that's it. I think we've finished. And now my favorite part, let's color. If you like this video, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up, share with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.